What would you do? By keeping responders safe, we improve our capacity to keep animals safe. In today's society, responding to incidents involving animals is both an expectation and an acknowledgement that such incidents can involve people putting themselves and others at risk. When we see an animal in distress, we want to help, but may not consider our own safety. All large animal incidents, regardless of cause or scope, present a risk of injury to anyone who is responding. Through proper training of best practices and the use of specialized rescue equipment, we significantly reduce these risks and improve the odds of a favorable outcome for both animals and responders. This program is intended for first responders and anyone involved with horses and livestock. This dynamic training includes large animal manipulation techniques with a focus on safety and welfare for both humans and animals. Participants take part in rotations addressing animal behavior, approach, basic handling, restraint, and leading animals. Training scenarios are realistic and could include a horse and rider that have fallen in a ditch, creek, or mud hole, and an overturned trailer. All exercises are grounded in best practices and are conducted using the incident command system. This dynamic training is designed to ensure a comprehensive educational process by delivering on the qualities of knowledge, best practice, and application. Large animal emergency rescue training. Get trained now.